Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Pioneer mini split remote is not working or not responding when you press buttons, it can be very frustrating because you cannot control your AC properly. You may try changing settings but nothing happens or the unit does not react at all. In many cases, the remote is still fine, but there is a small issue with signal, battery or connection between the remote and the indoor unit. Since these remotes use infrared signals, even a small blockage or weak battery can stop communication completely. Sometimes the AC system itself may also need a quick reset to start responding again. It is important to check both the remote and the unit step by step instead of assuming it is damaged. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix a Pioneer mini split remote that is not working or responding. Try these. 1. Replace the batteries of the Pioneer mini split remote with new ones. 2. Point the Pioneer mini split remote directly toward the AC indoor unit. 3. Clean the front sensor of the Pioneer mini split remote and AC unit. 4. Turn off the Pioneer mini split AC from the main power and turn it back on. 5. Bring the Pioneer mini split remote closer to the AC to avoid signal issues. 6. Test the Pioneer mini split remote again to check if it responds.